Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. Unprepared, because I didn't even go pee before this live stream, but we're good to go right now. Master Dark Bro, what's going on? Frank, Lyman, Dave, Pudgy, Rozzy, Master Dark Bro, Nick F, Auto Bro, Master Dark Bro, D's, Master AMC Trapper. We get Master Dark Bro, D's, Master Moji, AMC Trapper, CDWit, good morning to you. Master Dark Bro, we got Moji, D's, AMC Trapper, Master. Oh, I see some stickers. Moji, D's, AMC Trapper, D's, Moji, D's, Crypto Rocketeer, Hemi, Moji, D's. All of you guys know what time it is. It's time to show you how to lick and stick. Master Dark Bro, thank you for starting this live stream off right. You take that banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. And if that wasn't enough, D says, gosh, dude, that beach is getting hairy, I'm telling you right now. Moji, thank you for showing everybody how to eat a hot dog. You take the hot dog and you dip it in your favorite dip, and you take that hot dog and shove it in one bite. Thank you very much, Moji, D's, and Dark Bro for the smorgasbord of food this morning already. 1 minute into the live stream, absolutely loving it. Moji says, let's get started. We were wrong about the fake pump. No, I don't think we're wrong about it yet, Crypto Rocketeer. I really don't. I think that you're absolutely right. I think that this is still the bounce off resistance there, or the bounce off support, sorry. And not like a justified increase in, I feel like it's slightly blurry. That's a little better. It was hitting the light. There you go. Yeah, dude, I know that it's soaring this morning, up 3% right now, right? But if we look at this, I really don't think that this is necessarily a fake pump. It's a bounce off the last line in the sand. Dude, if we break these lines, there's a very good chance that we could be testing 2020 imprisonment lows. Look at this. Everybody's imprisoned in their house, and this is where we fall to. Oh, darn it, I just moved it. Yeah, dude, it's not going to be impossible to test these levels down in here if we fall through this major support where we're at and then retest the 2020 highs. So I think it's just one last buy opportunity for people who don't believe that we are going to continue lower. If they continue to raise interest rates, there's no way. There's no way we would continue to rise. Let me give you guys a little bit of an insight. Oh man, I was supposed to be Big Weeble, Little Clay. Let me give you a little bit of an insight into how these news outlets like Reuters and Bloomberg and Financial Times work. They just make this stuff up. Okay. Why am I saying that? Today they're talking about the rally this morning. I'm reading some articles talking about the rally in the stock market. And how the U.S. futures were looking good before the market opened today. And it's true, they're looking good. But for some reason, they go as far as to try and explain why it's looking good. And this is where they make the mistake. Because you can never really determine why, but it's a question that a lot of people want answered. So, you know what they're blaming it on right now? I don't know if you guys all read the article or not, but they're blaming the stock market rebound and bouncing here on expectations that the Federal Reserve will be less hawkish, meaning that they will lessen their attitude towards doing whatever it takes to reduce the inflation rate. A couple statements. That makes no sense, because if they're less hawkish and less willing to do whatever it takes to battle inflation, it's just going to spiral out of control, and we are literally all going to spiral into a Great Depression that is worse than they're going to start calling that one the second best depression, and they will call what we are going to go through the Great Depression. So it makes no sense that they're going to take that stance and say that, but also, dude, the Federal Reserve has made no indications that they are going to be less hawkish. If anything, them just constantly saying they're going to do whatever it takes to battle inflation indicates the same level or more hawkishness. So, yeah, dude, these guys just straight lie because they need to write an article. It's very sad, but that's the kind of stuff that they feed people. And then people might be like, oh, the Fed's going to be less hawkish. Maybe we should buy. And then the Fed comes out again and unexpectedly surprises the market when they say 0.75 basis point increase to battle inflation. and it rips lower. So, yeah, don't get lied to, guys. Europe pumped as well. Yeah, dude, Europe pumping. I don't know. I haven't looked at the European stock markets like the DAX and the what it is, the FTSE 100 and 250 over in UK and stuff like that. So I don't know where they're at in comparison to levels of support. I imagine it's a very similar situation over there with the European indexes and the British indexes. But nonetheless, man, I think it's a bounce off support right here with people buying in what they consider deals and bargains. What's Kona Coffee? I don't even know what Kona Coffee is. Moji set me up with Ivy Espresso. I'll be good to go. Perhaps some Kona Coffee would be great too. I don't know what it is, man. I really don't. It's Hawaiian Coffee. It's born on the Big Island, home of the Kona Coast, and best coffee. I am not. I really don't care. I don't even know if I could tell the difference between two cups of... I don't even know if I could tell the difference between like a dark roast and a light roast coffee. I really don't know if I could. I don't take any pride in knowing that I'm some sort of a coffee snob, but I really don't care if you guys make fun of me. I honestly don't know if I could tell the difference in a light roast and a dark roast in some Brazilian bean versus, some bean grown in... Do they even grow beans in Iowa? I don't know. But I wouldn't be able to tell the difference if they did. I promise you I wouldn't. I've never been... So if you start putting cream and stuff in it, yeah, clearly I can tell the difference. Especially since I have to go to the bathroom afterwards. But if I'm just sitting there drinking two things that, like, unless the texture's different... Some coffee I feel is thicker than other coffee. But... Nah, dude, I ain't gonna be able to tell the difference in nothing. Kona or Lake Erie. Whatever coast you're on, man. All the same to me. All the same to me. Alright, so we should just start a bro coffee. Could be the cheapest bean ever, and that's just what we sell. Australia pivoted, kinda. They went 250 basis points instead of 50 basis points, helping markets to 25 basis points, right? 250? 250 or 25, man? Now I don't even know. This is why I say we just eat for the next 2 months, then start on New Year's. We go into a bowl. Yeah, Master Dark Bro. That's one of the modalities that I forget what the guy's name is, that they say, oh, that's Clay Bro in it. Where you go in, and Kalani might know. When you go in there and just shock the market, man, send it into a little recession or whatever to increase interest rates, go through some dark times, and come out the other side better off for it. But, hey, that's not a bad strategy. It really isn't. And people will complain about that. The same way that they'll complain about, well, we're not doing enough right now. We're not doing enough. This is the Fed's fault. We're not doing enough. We're doing too much. We're doing too much right now. We would never be in this situation if we didn't do so much. Dude, people are never going to be able to agree on which strategy is best. Do you want a long, slow, drawn-out recovery? Do you just want hitting right in the face and then recover from there? Volker. Yeah. Kalani. You know what you... Kalani hears his name and he's like, Volker? What? It's like Kalani wasn't paying attention in school and the teacher said, Kalani, Volker! Yeah, that's it. Right there. Kalani, man. You did get the answer right. I agree with you on that. Mo G. Clay, you really need to get out of the basement. I do need to get out of the basement, but in terms of coffee, or I guess it's better than coming out of the... Never mind. I heard my name. Yes, you did. Mo G. What's up with LUNC? It's dumping? Oh, no, I don't think it's dumping right now. Here in 3 a.m. in Australia, trying to sleep. The only thing that can help me is Clay, bro. I always have nice dreams. Alpha Q. Loving it, man. So, Clay, I love fried chicken more than Pudgy and Mo G. Dude, fried chicken is really good. I really like fried chicken. We've already had this discussion about breasts and thighs and all of that. But if you guys don't have an air fryer, get an air fryer. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, so I don't think the Terra Luna Classic is dumping, guys. Still right around 30,000 points per coin. We look at the hourly graph. This, to me, does not look like a dump at all. Just coming back down to... We might be able to move this line slightly right here. Coming back down into this 30,000 point per coin area. That's all we're doing right here, is retesting this. I think if it continues to sell off from here and retest this 2020 or this 22 level, then you might have not some concerns, but depending on how fast it gets there, I'll let you call that a dump if you want. But 10% fluctuation, dude, no way. Slap that right in the chop. Something Volcker took us up to 17+% interest. We're not close to being Volckered. Yes, I am so glad, Emma D, that you said yet. I truly believe that we can get there. 17 might seem like a stretch to me right now. I truly believe we see 10 plus. I really, really believe that we see 10 plus. And I don't think that's going to be a good thing. I really don't. But I think that we see 10 plus. I'm kind of convinced that like 12 to 15 is my max range. But dude, if these people want to continue going this direction, man, I can't argue with 17+% interest rates. I can't argue with 10 to 12 or 12 to 15% interest rates. I'm comfortable saying and predicting 10+%. But yeah, it's all going to be dependent on how much money they keep spending. And if they keep spending and inflation continues to go up, they're going to have to continue raising interest rates to fight it. So do you shock the market now and make people, dude, you're not buying a new car for the next 2 years. You are not buying a new house for the next 2 years. You are just going to have to sit and grind because you are not borrowing any money at a 12 to 15+% interest rate. It's just not going to happen, man. You can't afford it. Or do you let this slowly rise until we finally say, well, what we're doing is not working? That's the debate that they're having. I mean, we can have that debate if you want. I don't know the right answer, which is why I'm glad I'm not head of the Federal Reserve. But nonetheless, man, I mean, this is the stuff that they look at and make the determination. We can make fun of Powell all day long. Powell doesn't have the right answer, man. He doesn't have the right answer. We can't expect him to do the right thing because there is no right answer. It's just both ways cause pain. Both ways get you to the same result. It's just how quickly do you want to get there and how much pain do you want to go through. Pull the Band-Aid off slow or just rip that bad boy off. I don't like long drawn out things, so if you're just going through the grinder, then let's just go over and rebuild. They screw up. Yeah, Dark Bro, absolutely, man. Some people that like want to counter argue that, they'll just say, well, there's no way I'll be able to bear going through the grinder like that. I won't be able to survive. What about my family? I already can't afford food to put on the table. My job just doesn't pay me enough. I can't afford this $1,400 iPhone that I have. What was I thinking? I should have just stuck with the Motorola Razr. You know, people that make these decisions and get themselves into a place like that, they won't be able to borrow any money. And it's going to be very difficult for them, if not impossible, to get through. And that's the argument, like, for the other side. But I think that I kind of agree with you a little bit more. You know, yes, shock the market right now. Let's see some survival of the fittest. And then on the other side, we've got that faster recovery. Turn the heat up a little bit and walk out the door a little bit sooner. I'm in, Poodle. We can scoff at John. Yes, there you go. I'm not going to be rude. I'm a helicopter. Yo, my yacht. Nice, man. Bitcoin exchange launches tomorrow. Only exchange with zero gas fees. Ramon. Nice, man. I really don't know too much about Bitcoin. But very cool if they are launching an exchange tomorrow. Poodle, what's up? No love for the bones. I want to go in that chopper too, man. It's a chop. Pew, 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 it's a chop. Batter the chicken, fry the chicken, re-batter the chicken, and then refry. Ooh, double batter, man. I like it. Master Dark Pro, that logic works. If we're still the world power, problem is if we collapse now, the petrodollar isn't looking to win. Rebuilding from a crash here is dangerous. Ooh. You know, I often think that it is a possibility that you're talking about here being still the world's power. I don't know, man. I don't know. Does the U.S. stay the world's power forever? Every great empire has fallen. Does the U.S. do the same? Weird. All the talking heads are saying we hit bottom yesterday. Banks are about to Mark, dude. Mark. Thank you for not being naive, man. Thank you for not being naive. And I can guarantee you they act like they never said we bottomed when the next inflation rate comes out. There's a part of me that knows the inflation rate is not going to be below 5% that we came in at. part of me knows it's not going to be below 8.5%. A part of me knows that it's actually going to have risen. So we'll have to see how that plays out, man. But if it's above 8.5%, yeah, expect an implosion. It's going to be bad. Shiba Inu coin, wake up. Look at you. I see you, little green line. Oh, yeah. Shiba Inu coin making some moves right here. Going from 1120 to 1130. Nice little move. Ooh, another little pump up. Is this going to be a whale pump and dump? Let's find out. Oh, I hate Papa John's. That saying just came to mind. Papa John's was actually probably one of my least favorite pizza places, but I can't even do like mainstream pizza anymore, man. Look, Pizza Hut, don't sponsor this video because I'm gonna talk trash for a second. One of the kids that I went to school with owns a pizza shop near me, and I've been eating his pizza regularly for a few years now. Love it. Good pizza, good kid. And I had a free pizza from Pizza Hut one time within like the last, I don't know, it was probably 2 years ago. Dude, I got that free pizza from Pizza Hut. I ate that thing. Tasted like cardboard. I threw it away. Man. I couldn't even do it. Nope. Wasn't even. And I used to love Pizza Hut pizza. They had a soft pretzel crust, man. I would get Pizza Hut pizza, like exclusively. And no, man, you gotta double take on your Pizza Hut pizza ideas there. Shiba Inu coin, throwing some green. Oh no, now we're throwing some purples. We'll still keep our eye on it. Shocking the economy creates a Walmart greeters. It could, DD214. It absolutely could. However, I will say this. And this is true, right? That by the time your 401k or by the time your IRA and so on, by the time you get to that age with your investments there, the vast majority, if not all of it, if somebody's managing that account for you, is based in bonds, municipal, government, maybe some corporate bonds, but the vast majority is in bonds, which would actually be doing better at that time frame. So shocking the economy could, yes, create some Walmart greeters if they just recently retired and all of their positions haven't been moved over into something that's considered much more secure, or if less than 10% of their portfolio is in, or if more than 10% of their portfolio is in equities at that time, because you are right, dude. Shocking the economy like that, you would see a big red line on all the graphs, dude. All the graphs. Bonds would go up. The interest rates would go up, but the equities, the overall value in a lot of people's portfolio, yes, would go down. There's no denying that at all. But the idea of reaching that age is that you're no longer exposed to that type of risk. And either a small portion of your portfolio would be in equities, and you wouldn't have like a catastrophic loss, or maybe I guess if you did, all of a sudden you're going to try and supplement your income by becoming a Walmart greeter, or just hanging out somewhere and having a job like that. Tesla on the 5-minute, massive sells, Clay, bro. Gorilla Invictus. I have not looked at Tesla in quite a long time. Let's see what Tesla is doing today. We might be bouncing off this line right here, guys. Let's see how this intermediate level of resistance takes place at 20,000. We'll move the line down there for a while and see if Bitcoin can overtake that. Tesla, 5-minute. Tesla on the 5-minute. Yeah, you got some pretty big sells coming in there. What is this? They must have had some news come out 5 minutes ago, because 250. What is that, a 2% decline? 3% decline in Tesla over the last 5 minutes? All right, so it doesn't seem like I've got any news here on Webull about what could be causing that decline. I don't know if Elon Musk just said something or if anybody said something, but yeah, that's a pretty large sell with over 5 million shares of Tesla being sold right there. dropping about 3% in 5 minutes. I don't know what would have caused that. If you guys do, maybe he went and sold some Tesla to buy some Shiba Inu coin. We've got a corresponding rise in Shiba Inu coin and a dump in Tesla. Hola, Clay. Graciela was it? Oh, man. Ruiz? Gosh, I don't know. Ruiz? Oh, Graciela, what's going on? How are you? Hola to you. I've lost 60,000 equity in my home the last 2 months. Moji, dude. I'm not going to lie. That's tough. I read an article this morning, and they tell you, Wall Street claiming that we're going to see the worst decline in home prices since the Great Depression. And then that's the headline. And then I read the article. Wall Street's claiming that we could see 7% declines in home prices in 2023. Dude, I mean, come on. 7% is like negotiating. You're going to lose 7%, one, when you don't negotiate with your real estate agent and they rip you on commission. Two, you're going to lose another 7% when the guy that makes you an offer either makes you do some repairs or negotiates your price down a little bit. So 7% change in home prices to me is that's kind of expected, man. That's why you better be asking 7% over what you think your house is worth. Only 25 like, oh my gosh, missing link. Click that like button, guys. Clay, if LUNC wins 500 billion, are we essentially peeing against the wind with these 1.2%? Yeah, so Emily, yes. It's a great way to put it, right? I will say this, though. I don't know the total extent of that plan, when they plan on doing or when they would propose doing that 500 billion Terra Luna Classic mint. I do want to look into that a little bit more later if I can and possibly do a video on it tonight because you're right. It makes no sense to do that. I don't know, dude. Once the first time you ever pee outside, you realize, yeah, don't go that direction. Go the other direction. It's like, it's just innate. So, I don't like the idea of minting these new coins. However, okay, I don't think it's necessarily a bad idea if we first reduce the supply. So if you were able to get the supply of Terra Luna Classic down to, the 10 billion that they're talking about, and then they're thinking about doing something like that, then you can discuss it. But here's the crazy part, man. They wouldn't need 500 billion Terra Luna Classic minted at that point if they just simply focused on this burn plan and gained the value. So if the Terra Rebels went out, instead of just saying, hey, everybody, let us just print another $150 million worth of Terra Luna Classic because we're crazy and we think that that's a good idea. After everything we see going on in the economy, let us print $150 million or 500 billion Terra Luna Classic. Guys, just sit on your Terra Luna Classic for a few years. You'll have the $150 million and then go out and buy your Bitcoin to collateralize another coin. Come on. Patrick, thank you very much for the super sticker. Click. I'm up $10 from a lottery ticket. Here's your cut. Boom, baby. I didn't even have to buy the ticket and I got my cut. Patrick, thank you very much. Hey, man, you know what? Today's Patrick's lucky day. Everybody throw a congrats in for Patrick hitting $10 on that lottery ticket right there. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the super chat. Really appreciate that, man. I did not need the cut. I don't even know how I had a stake in this lottery ticket. But thank you very much for that super chat, dude. Really appreciate it. And hopefully you got a good day all around today, man. Just everything's falling into place for you today. JB! Cool, dude. I don't have my sunglasses up here. Cool, dude. Oh, yeah. Cool, dude. Thank you very much, JB, for the super sticker, man. Really appreciate that. And sorry I don't have the sunglasses up here. Elon didn't even say stop the war. He said if people of the Donbas have spoken, then we need to listen. Oh, hey, can somebody break that down really quick? Like, I don't know the situation, so in like non-political terms or just the same exact way Emma D just said, like what was said there, because I was talking to my dad for like 3 minutes this morning and he said something about people attacking Elon Musk over saying something about Russia, Ukraine and stuff like that. What was the situation with that? Because I had I haven't seen anything about that, so I have no idea what went on there. You bagging a big bottle of water for hydration today? This is all I got, dude. So I was running late. I didn't fill that water bottle up, so I got this left right here. This is all I got in case you guys get wild after the stream. So I'm going to try and ration it until the end of the stream here. Thank you for looking out, though. Twitter is halted. Twitter is halted. Interesting. Why would Twitter be halted? Twitter jumping, my boy. Is Elon Musk buying Twitter again? What's going on? Why is it going from $42 to $48? Interesting. What's going on with the news, man? Why doesn't it want to load? Musk said to propose to Twitter to proceed with a deal at $54.20. Interesting. I did not think that Musk was going to go through with this deal, man. I really didn't think that he was going to go through with this deal. That's why Twitter's jumping. It's up 12% right now, almost 13%, because apparently Elon Musk is considering going through with the deal at $54.20. He probably just wanted his friends to be able to jump in at, where to go down to, like $30. He probably just wanted his friends to be able to jump in at $30, make it quick like 10 mil. That'd be my guess, dude. That'd be my guess. Like, jump in at $32, guys, and then I'll go through with the deal, and you guys can make like 10, 20, 30, $40 million. It'll be fine. Dude, could you imagine being Elon Musk and just being like, yeah, guys, just I'm going to say no, and then I'll jump back in, and then you guys can, ride it up, 10 mil, put 10 mil on it, and then I'll make you guys a quick 5, 10 mil. Oh, my goodness. I'd do it for all you. I'd do it for all you. Just let that be known. Army Vet Bro! I just tuned in. I think Elon is buying Twitter. Elon Musk is buying Twitter. He said, let's do it, man. Let's do it. I don't understand why the news isn't loading. $54.20. Hey, if you guys want to jump in Twitter right now, and Elon Musk does go through with the deal, you're looking at a 20% gain. So make sure to check that out if Elon Musk speculation is your thing. Army Vet Bro! Afternoon, Clay. What's your expert opinion on a Tama? I bought about 3.2 thousand during the pre-sale phase. Ugh! Army Vet Bro, man, I have not looked into this, what is it, Tamadoge, however you say it here. I really wish I would have, man. So I think that this is, whew, dang, dude, you're probably doing pretty well right now. My expert opinion on it would probably be to sell right now. If you got in during some pre-sale and you're up 100%. Let's see here. Where are we at? Been out for about a week now, going from golly bum, man, 2 cents to 17 cents. I understand why people are so excited about it now. Going from, what would this be, man? A $20 million market cap to a $200 million market cap. Not bad at all. Let's see here. 93,000, oh, that's transfers. 25,000 holders. What do we got? Wow. Centralized exchange owns a massive amount. So Uniswap owning a massive amount. And then you've got some decent whales up there. So let's see. I don't know if you bought 3,000 coins or if you bought $3,000 worth. But, dude, here's my opinion on this, okay? And this is me drawing this opinion without knowing at all what these guys are doing, but basing it on people coming in here, talking about Tamadoge, however you say it, and what we've seen in the past. If the 3.2 thousand, if that's a lot to you, I'd shave that on these gains, especially if you rode from 2 cents to 17 cents, man. If it's not a lot to you, then you can let it ride. But if you, oh gosh, dude, if you expect Doge to like surpass Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coin and things like that, it's going to be very, very difficult to see that happen, if not impossible, in my opinion. These smaller meme coins like this, with as volatile and risky as they are, you could be right back down to 6 cents tomorrow, and I know you wouldn't want to see that happen. So depending on how many you own, I don't think it would be a bad idea to step out of profit taking or whatever, however you want to phrase that. Maybe take a little now, take a little, if it gains another 50%, take a little more, and leave some for the long term if you would like to see what happens with it. But I don't know, dude. I really don't know enough about what they're doing or the size of their community. Only 25,000 holders leaves room for a huge influx of buyers. But, do they garner that type of attention and that type of excitement is my main question. And that's like not a coach's expert opinion or somebody who's in the game's expert opinion. That's me literally sitting on the sideline and saying, dude, I could have made it through that. I could have made that three-pointer right there. Whatever. That's me sitting on the sideline telling you what I see right now and not having looked into the project or what they've got going on in the project. Clay bro, Russia annexed 4 areas in the Donbas region. They all voted to join Russia, not saying if it's a fair election or not. They voted overwhelmingly to join, Musk said, to honor the people's will. Well, yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with saying that, right? Oh, gosh. What would be wrong with saying that? I mean, how mad would you be if Mexico was like, let's join the United States? The United States clearly has more power, more money, more opportunities than we do. Let's join the United States. They're going to have to take care of us and protect us, and it's going to be an open border. I mean, we're not going into politics right now, but hey, if they join us, if you can't beat them, join them. So I don't see anything wrong with saying that. The part about being a free election, yeah, nobody knows these days, man. Nobody knows anything about these. Let's see. Clay, how much does a sticker cost? King Mamba. Sticker doesn't cost anything, dude. If you want a sticker, I can send you a sticker, man. I can send you like a... what do I got? I got some stickers like this already made, dude. Got some stickers like this already made. I can make some more stickers too, like if you guys want different color stickers, but if that's what you're talking about, dude, I'm gonna make you pay for a sticker. Just stick it on something that people see. For real. I should go on a sticker printing spree and just like send a ton of stickers out to you guys. The problem is, I literally can't find enough hours in the day to do all of this stuff. I'd love to send 160 of you guys, a couple bro stickers, Clay Bro YouTube logo stickers, and just literally send them out, man. I would love to do that. I just got to find the time to do it, though. I need a black bro sticker in my car. Yeah, next level, dude. I really wouldn't mind doing that at all. I even got these little guys. Like, you want to put it on your phone or I got one of these on my wallet. I put one of these on my bank card, man. I got one of these on my bank card. Like, I'm dedicated, dude. I do. I got one of those in my bank card's a bro card. Yeah, I should send you guys some stickers, though. I just gotta find the time to print it. I should be printing right now while I'm live. I never understand meme coins, JB. What I've learned in my 33 long years, some things just don't need to be understood. They really just don't. They probably do for, like, if you're in accounting or whatever and you need the rules, need to understand, like, it might be a necessity, but some things just don't make sense, and I don't try to make sense out of them. They just work. John J., thank you very much for the super sticker. For Pudgy, he, $50 is $50. Just drink the coffee, chill. I only want to take pics. Love, Jeffrey. What is going on, man? I don't know if this is a quote from Jeffrey Dahmer or not, but Pudgy, man, this one's for you. $50 is $50. Just drink the coffee. Chill. I only want to take pics. Love, Jeffrey Dahmer. I don't understand. John Jay, if that's like a reference to the new Netflix show, man, I haven't seen it, so I don't know what's going on with that. But Pudgy, $50 is $50, man. Just chill and drink the coffee. That's all you gotta do. Yes, maybe. Does it make sense to anybody else? Is it just me that it doesn't make sense to? John, sucking up, doesn't want to miss the plane. Chopper, something. Yeah. Oh, Pudgy's chopper. Gotcha. He's sucking up to Pudgy's chopper right now. She has literally been at a standstill for months. It's not even a graph anymore. It's just a horizontal line. Yes. This is true, man. The good news in horizontal lines like this, they indicate that people aren't selling. You know, people are just sitting there holding their Shiba Inu coin right now, waiting for something amazing, I guess. So there is good in understanding that as well. But you've been right. You're right, man. Shiba Inu coin hasn't been doing too much. Meme coins are for chargers. For chargers? We need chargers, man. Those stickers are pretty sick. JB! Yeah, literally, I do need to print some of these. I really don't care, man. I'll just throw a stamp on an envelope and send you guys a sticker pack. If you want to use them. If you're literally just going to sit them like on your desk right here, I'm not going to send you a sticker pack. If you're going to throw it on the back of your car or do whatever you want with it, if you'll actually use it or have some fun with it, dude, I'll send you a sticker, man. Someone steal your wheels. That doesn't mean the car belongs to the thief. This is true, man. Go get that car back. Claybro, what would you say is a good number dollar-wise to become a day trader and say goodbye to the working world? Oh, Lonnie, man. Lonnie. So, I guess it's all going to depend on, 1, your lifestyle. 2, how much risk you're willing to take. And 3, how much you think you need. So if you think that you need to replace your entire income, you can do the math fairly simply. But I will say this, man. You can make a lot of money day trading, but you can lose a lot of money day trading as well. It's extremely risky doing these day trades. But if you're thinking that you need to make $100 a day, I don't think that that's impossible. Especially if you've got, a $10,000 account, I don't think it's impossible to make $100 a day. Dude, you can go out and if you're committed to staying extremely disciplined and you play the QQQ, okay? If you're just playing the overall market and you're playing options, you can look at Tesla or you can look at Twitter right now and say, oh my gosh, a 12% gain, that's phenomenal. Ooh, yeah, I'm going to day trade Tesla. I'm going to become the best Tesla day trader there is. And it's swing like this. Boom, man, we're going to be killing it every day. If you just come look at the options on the QQQ or the SPY or, even options on Tesla and Apple, these types of gains are possible. Look at the calls today, man. Look at the call options today on the QQQ. And these options expire tomorrow. You do not need to have a phenomenal amount of money to conservatively invest. If you just went out, man, and you bought $50 worth of the QQQ here, of options, of course, not of just the QQQ. But if you bought $50 worth of call options in the QQQ and all of a sudden you're up 700%, you're walking away with what, $400? I mean, dude, can you beat it? No. And you had a $50 bet, okay? I say bet if you literally have no idea which direction it's going and you're like $50 on up, right there. You don't even look at it. $50 on up, boom. Slam it down on the table, and hey, it goes up for you, and you're sitting up $400 right now on a $50 bet. If you're looking and trying to play the trend or trying to play some sort of a technical analysis here, if you're using moving average crossovers, you can see that the what do we got on the chart here? The 13 and 48. Masked Investor, Short the VIX, and Review Dork, they love the 1348. If you saw it cross over here, you might say, you know what? At the open, we're crossed. I'm going to be getting in to the QQQ. And if you would have got in, you would have been making that sort of a gain just on this cross, and it never crossed back over yet. So if you're playing that, if you're saying, well, the trend is clearly bouncing off this support line, it's clearly bouncing off and finding support here, I'm going to play it to the upside. It increases your chances of making money, and it doesn't become a bet anymore. It becomes a trade or an investment. So, do you need 100 grand? No, dude. Do you need 10? You don't even need 10 grand. It just depends on how much money you want to make. What I would suggest doing, okay, is either starting with a paper trade account. I don't necessarily like paper trading because there is a certain emotion to investing. You can't duplicate it, paper trading. If you start out with $100 account or a $500 account and you're literally making some trades, you're buying some cheap options, if you will, some $10, $20, maybe $50 options to see how you react to that, how you feel about that, and so on. Test it that way, man. If all of a sudden you can start consistently supplementing your income, not replacing it, you're starting to make $10 a day, dude. You might $10 a day, that's stupid. Dude, $10 a day is going to pay for your lunch every single day. If you can make $20 a day, you're easily paying for your food every single day. You just took that whole expense out of your life because you're generating enough money to pay for your food every single day. I mean, dude, when you start to supplement your income or supplement your lifestyle like that, then you know that you can do it. The next part is just a risk. And to lessen the risk, I don't know what kind of jobs you guys, have, but you can place a trade in the morning and not have to watch it all day if you've got your profit targets and your stop losses in place and let it go. DD214 needs a sticker. We have to help him avoid the strong arm of the law. Yes, DD214 needs a sticker. So let's see. I don't know how much it costs to send an actual envelope to a different country, but I actually have a lot of colors of stickers. If you guys are actually interested in just a free sticker pack, probably maybe a little bit more than this, but if you will use it, just say yes or no in the chat right now so I can gauge whether or not it would make sense for me to maybe try and spend some time this weekend cutting a ton of stickers out to just put in some envelopes, and then if you guys actually want them, just get them addressed and literally stick them in my mailbox. I don't want to drive to the post office to send these things out. I'll just throw a stamp on it and send it out. But if it's got a bunch of support, I really don't care. 50 cent stamp, man, because I've already got the vinyl to print these stickers. But if you guys would want that, I could just print bro stickers all day long and let the printer run. $10 subtract taxes, $3. Yeah, you're left with $3, man. It's 2.5. So Connor, 2.5 trillion is, I believe, clickbait. Not my videos, not clickbait, because I actually go into explaining that their 2.5 trillion could be clickbait, okay? And why the company is doing that and how they would legitimately get to the 2.5 trillion number. So no, it's not clickbait if I'm putting it out there because I'm explaining why it is possible or not possible. But I think that company, the Lithosphere blockchain, is trying to take advantage of the popularity right now. So we've got like 4 people that would want stickers. Perfect. That means it is going to be a lot easier for me to print these stickers than I had anticipated. I could just do like 1 sheet of vinyl and you guys got enough stickers. Let me ask you this then, if you guys were wanting to get a little that size is fine, right? That size is fine. This size, bro, like I imagine you guys would just put it on your back windshield or whatever. Like this size is fine. It's probably the most efficient that I can do out of 1 sheet of vinyl with decent size. Otherwise, if you guys are really wanting to put it on your, your car or whatever, and you want it bigger, I technically could probably go slightly bigger on the bro stickers and do something like this instead. This might be the most that I could squeeze out of an efficient sheet of vinyl. But, maybe throw a little one in if you guys wanted to put it on the back of your phone case or whatever. But I've actually got the YouTube logo on the back of my phone case. But something to think about, maybe a big bro, small bro, and then a YouTube logo sticker. But only if you guys, I promise, I'm not gonna send them out if you guys don't use them. Brian, thank you for the super chat. Remember me from the other day? Sam is the one I was talking about. Look at it go, look at it go, look at it go. Brian, I do, man, I do. And Tama Doge is absolutely rolling. Look. 91% gain. It was 100 and something percent at 17 cents a minute ago. Sitting at a 91.29% gain right now. 16 cents. Looking beautiful, man. Brian, let me ask you this, because somebody was talking about it, and you may know more. You may not know more about it. I don't know what you know. You know it's gaining, right? But going from like 2 cents, dude, to 17 cents. Are you honestly imagining that you can hold that coin long term? Or do you think that that's a phenomenal pump right now? Because I have no idea what these guys are doing. And, I feel weird asking you about it. But if you could shed some light, dude. And don't be, like, unrealistic. That's one of the things we pride ourselves on here is being realistic. Be realistic about it, man. Are you shaving? Are you only holding? Like, what are your thoughts on it? Moji stamps for bro stickers for the bros. All right, dude. Moji basically just sent out 40 stickers. So you guys better be wanting it. You guys cool with basically any color, bro, though? Or does you guys really, really want black? Because I've actually got a ton of vinyl. So let me show you this really quick. Moji, man, making it happen. Moji, dude, thank you very much for the super sticker, or for the super chat. Let's see what we've got. Where's my big vinyl? Here it is. Yeah, dude. So this is literally just for stickers right here. We got basically any color you guys want. It's kind of bright there. We got purple, yellow, brown, green, blue, red, black, teal, pink, white. I mean, there's a ton of sticker colors. So, stickers are good. I do need to get more vinyl for shirts and stuff, though. Or more vinyl for stickers if you guys really want a ton of stickers. But Moji making it happen, man. Absolutely loving it. Bro, mine's going on my car. Master Dark, bro. Heck yeah, man. If it's going on your car, you definitely got it for sure. Any color's fine with me. Just ready together at my sticker pack. Boom! King Mamba, I will, man. Good idea. Your bro stickers create NFT on nose. MetaWorld, how do you do that, man? How do you're gonna create a bro NFT? That's, dude, yeah, cool idea for me, man. Cool idea for me. I don't know how you create an NFT, but I think it's a cool idea. MetaWorld, thank you very much for the super chat. And if you guys don't know what he's talking about, NFTOSE, NFTOS is right here. I still got their Twitter up, man. Nope, wrong one. Where are we going? Oh, here. NFTOS on Twitter, man. Right there. If you guys want to check out NFTOS on Twitter, MetaWorld, awesome. And thank you very much for the super sticker, dude. Most of my tokens I FOMO into. Tank, 1,000+%. Roulette wheel, exactly, man. Exactly, me too. So let us know when you get into Tama Doge. That's the time to get out, is when roulette wheel gets in. Red, black, and blue. So random. Oh, come on. Freeze me on that screen. What are you doing, you camera? Don't freeze me on that screen. Should do a bro sticker vote. Yes, Army Vet Bro. What should the vote be? Size? Color? Just a yes or no? What should the vote be? Let's do it, man. I'll do it. I'm waiting to see what happens when Tama is listed on other exchanges. Supposed to... Oh, yeah. Army Vet, bro. If it's not even listed on a ton of exchanges yet, usually it does see a nice bump in price when it does get listed. We should do a vote. What should we do the vote on though? I heard about literally every time. Oh, yes or no. All right, let's do a quick vote here. Yes or no? I'm pretty sure the answer is gonna be yes. If not, you guys are lame and don't even want stickers. Come on. All right, let's see. We go to the live stream. We're in the live stream. We create the poll. We create the poll right here. Would you guys use, not just want, but use a sticker pack if I sent it to you? All right, if I send you a sticker pack, will you actually use it? You gotta use it now. You gotta use, because I really don't care. Got a long driveway, dude, but I will walk down it. I promise, I will walk down that driveway to put a sticker pack in the mail. Probably not gonna drive all the way down to the post office, but I will definitely put a sticker pack in the mailbox if you guys want them. Let's see, go back out to here. Live in Alabama, easy ride. The good news is the United States Postal Service ships to Alabama. Yes, again, Arthur. Nice, man. Diamond Shoot, thanks for the follow back. You are real. Legendary. Legendary. You're real, dude. Libra, I want a sticker for my younger sister. Easy ride. Well, I've actually got some very nice pink and teal stickers as well. Now, I will say this, okay? If we're doing sticker packs and I'm just filling a bunch of envelopes with some stickers, you guys can't be complaining. If you get if you're a dude and you get some teal sticker, I actually really like the teal and the pink stickers together. It's got that old school Miami vibe. You know what I'm talking about? The teal, give me 2 seconds, man. I really want to show you. It's really cool sticker combo. It's got that old school Miami vibe. Oh, gosh. Oh, I'm out of breath now. I made it back. Up and down the stairs. That'll get you every time. Dude, look at that combo. That's a cool combo. Pink and teal? It is more of a teal than this camera is showing. I guess that is kind of accurate there. That makes it look a little bit more blue. It's more of a teal. Hey, dude, it's a cool combo. So you guys can't complain if you get a different color. But nonetheless, you can put that on your car if you want to put that on your car. Still looks good. If not, give it to a girl. I don't care what color, Well, there you go, Michael. Loving it, man. 31 votes. If you guys want to vote in the thing right now. But I'm going to be taking this off the screen in a second here. Otherwise, you're not going to get your vote in. Because I can't read the chat. Thank you to whoever deleted Master Dark Bro for deleting that admin 17407601240. Can't stand these guys. Hopefully you permanently deleted that guy. Like, just hit him from the channel. I should make them all black. Yeah, D's, I would, but I got all those other colors there. And, I mean, I could buy, like, a huge roll of black and red, but, dude, I'm going to mix them up, man. What else am I going to do with the yellows? You know, what am I going to do with the yellows? You guys are going to get, like, skin-colored bro stickers. Oh, if you guys, Ooh, you know what I should do? Maybe I should send some golden tickets out too. Like a golden sticker. If you guys get the golden sticker, you win a t-shirt or something. That could be a fun. I can little Charlie and the Chocolate Factory this bad boy up here. And if you guys end with like one of the glitter stickers, ooh, yeah. If you end with a glitter sticker, then you might be able to get yourself, claim it for a t-shirt or something. Now that could be a fun idea. Let's see. Better dollar cost average into a solid project and not some brand new shiny token. Hoping to get listed on some exchange. Yeah, roulette wheel. I tend to agree with that, especially at this point in the game. when the entire market is down, man. With the market down like this, it's not a bad idea at all to dollar cost average into some different projects. QQQ does seem to be curling back over and hitting some new lows here over the last couple of hours. So we may be seeing, guys, if you want to buy some puts, let's see what these puts would turn into. I don't know if the prices are right, but I would say now is the time to potentially buy a put if you guys want to try and jump in to the QQQ. So we got this line on right here. This is when we would have bought. We'll see how this plays out. But we would have bought on this candle right here, right at that line right there, as it broke down through support. So let's watch that we'll watch that for a minute to see how that plays out there. But nonetheless, if you guys are thinking about trading on the QQQ, something to think about as it breaks down with a new intraday low here. We'll see if that trend plays out. And, dude, especially if it comes back down to here, you guys could be making some sick money. So we'll keep our eye on that. I'm taking the vote down right now. If you guys did not vote, 39 yeses. I don't even know what we're looking at right here. Where are we? 39. What do we get? 82% yeses. All right, man, I'll accept it. 82% yeses is fine with me. 17% said no. So I am definitely not sending a sticker to those 17% of you. Dude, this is a great idea. I think it would be a good idea. Plus a glitter sticker. I do have glitter stickers, so it could be a good idea there. When do you see Luna hitting half a penny? Poppy, I see Luna Classic hitting half a penny when... And here's the thing, man. Next bull market. If Terra Luna Classic is still a thing during the next major bull market... I don't know why my phone's lagging so bad today. If Terra Luna Classic is still a thing during the next major bull market. I'm not talking about when it runs up to 50,000 points per coin again. If it's a thing, I definitely see half a penny is a major possibility without burns or anything like that. So if next year Bitcoin's back up to 30, 40, 50,000, Shiba Inu coins back up to 5,000 points per coin, 6,000, and so on, I absolutely see a possibility for Terra Luna Classic hitting not just half a penny, but a full penny as well. So I'm looking forward to the next bull market, man. A day out with Clay, be good. John James, man, a day out with me would be so boring. We would just literally sit right here all day long and make videos. I just walked to my mailbox. I didn't see my Willy Wonka Golden Claybro sticker. DD214. Well, that would be because I have not sent any Golden Ticket Claybro stickers just yet, so it makes sense that you did not see one. If Stardust Roy wants her sticker, I can send. I have international stamps. Army Vet Bro! How much are international stamps? I've sent packages international, but I've never sent a letter international. Let's see. So tired of Crypto Rocketeer, man. What are you tired of? Now he's buying Twitter again. It's all right. He's moving the price back up. Let's see. I'll let you message show because you are a medical professional, so you can talk about weird anatomy, I guess. Yeah, weird anatomy. I know I missed it. I know I missed what he was talking about. Let's see, had to. No, sorry, Emma. He walked into it. Dang it, I missed what he walked into. Oh, hey, Clay, what do you think is next for BTC, 21 or 17? Well, dude, since you said 21, and it's so close... I'd probably rather go with 21. Okay, so 21 is literally just this next little level right here of resistance. 17 is going to be harder. Look, I'll go with 21 before I'm going to say 17 just because it's a lot closer and we just have to break up through this little level at 20 to hit 21. And we'd have to fall through 19 and 18 to hit 17. But if you're asking me what I think is next, 30 or 12, I would say 12, dude. I would say 12. before I say 30. But since you're giving me such a tight range on the upside there, I'm going to have to go with 21. But, yeah, dude, I don't think that it's impossible at all to break this line right here. I'm going to guess, okay? You guys can clip this if you want. This is a very bold and not to be followed. Like, do not trade on this. Not to be followed. Very bold prediction. But I don't think that it's going to be impossible to see that drop through and that decline on, I believe, October 13th when the inflation rate comes out. If the inflation rate is above the 8.5%, like I think that it could be, then I would imagine there's a very good chance we see that break of those red lines on Bitcoin here on the 13th, and potentially leading to a drop like this. This is a $10,000 drop, guys. It's a 30% decline instead of a 50% decline, so we may not go full 10, but I really don't think that this is going to be impossible to see right here on the 13th when we see over 8.5% inflation. So please keep that in mind. The way we've bounced off before and we are not bouncing off now is something to consider and shows some weakness. But I'm thinking that these last 2 days here are because the stock market is bouncing off support as well, and people are getting kind of confident with the green they're seeing on their screens. But yeah, man, I don't know. It is a feeling, right? That's why I say don't trust it. I got a bad feeling about inflation, and I think we could see a decline as early as the 13th. So consider that and take that for what you will. But nonetheless, I'd be on the lookout. Oh my gosh, Big Clay again, and I'm supposed to be Big Weeble. What are you doing? Meta World! Go! Official WB NFT, NFTos. See your NFT bro gift. Go official WB. What is WB, man? The website? Talking website? Nice, man. Nice. And Meta World. Very cool, dude. Very cool. So this is the NFTos website. And look at this. The latest NFTs. Bro, baby. Number 30. Look at that. Nice, dude. This costs you one Matic right here. Very nice, dude. Very nice. One Matic for this bro NFT. All of these other NFTs they've got out here. Very cool as well. I don't know who creates these or anything like that, man. But fantasy. I'm in the fantasy collection. Nice. Oh, man. That is pretty cool, dude. That is pretty cool. So it looks like this is an NFT marketplace, right? Looks like this is an NFT marketplace where you can either create your own NFT or mint an NFT and stuff like that. So very cool, dude. If you guys want to check out the NFTos website, nftos.com, you can check that website out, or you can go over to the Twitter account and then just click on their website right there. But bro's got an official NFTos NFT roulette wheel. Thank you for the go. Oh, come on now. Go. Come on. Don't do that. Go. It's spinning. Go. I don't know why this chair wants to spin this way. Roulette wheel. Thank you for hitting that goal. Oh my gosh. Roulette wheel, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. We scored that goal, baby. I wish I could. Look, I did. I tried to slide across the ground, and it split my jeans, man. It split my jeans, so I'm not allowed to slide across the ground anymore. I'll be splitting my knee even more right now. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for that super sticker. Really appreciate it. Oh my gosh. It's a dangerous one, though. You get rug burn if you try to slide across the If you try to slide across the carpet like that, man, you can't do it. You just can't do it. Roulette wheel, you're the man, dude. Might be a good overtime play. Let's see. I think it could be. I don't even know. No, I can't believe it's over already. What's over already? Who knows? We must go up and down like a spring. Lineman, man, Shiba Inu coin keeps going up. This spring just keeps going up, dude. We're running from 11,000 or 1,100 to 1,200 points. Let's go, man. Come on. Shiba Inu coin making gains. AMC up 9% today. GameStop up 9% today. Today's a solid day, man. We come over here to the QQQ, and we can see that we are starting to bounce back a little bit right now, but nonetheless, this would have been a decent entry so far. If you were trying to buy puts on the QQQ, you probably would have been up, I don't know, 10, 20% at this level right here. Might be giving back those gains at this moment. But, dude, getting in on this candle right here on this break wouldn't have been bad at all. Well, these two candles seem to be doing you a little dirty if you're in puts, but nonetheless, man, we're going to watch that and see how that plays out through most likely the rest of the afternoon here. But we've got a couple minutes left in this live stream, and you seem to be up already and possibly scalped a few dollars on that play right there. Let's watch Terra Luna Classic down there in the bottom left, though. Need your energy. Brian, you can have my energy, man. Raise your arms like Goku, and I will give it to you. You trip, bro. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, I think. I'm back. Pudgy's back. What's going on? Hey, bro, I am very late. I have to watch what I have missed later. Matthew Wheeler, you haven't missed much at all, dude. You haven't missed much at all. It'll be okay, I promise. Clever, you just woke my dog up across the room with that go. I will also be sending headphones to Emma D. And when there's a sticker pack there, she needs headphones because I can't be waking the dogs up. If you're not watching and you're just listening, it's funny. I was like, what the heck just happened? Yeah, Michael, that I can imagine. If you're just sitting there listening, you probably thought like I made $1,000 or something trading a stock. Goal! We hit the goal. But no, it was just a super sticker from Roulette Wheel. Thank you, Roulette Wheel. You're the one waking dogs up. You're the one making people think, what the heck just happened? Doge is pumping also. Yeah, Doge is pumping also. Interesting. Maybe Doge likes the fact that Elon Musk is getting a little more active on Twitter again. Maybe Shiba Rising pregame released. JB. That could be, dude. The game is coming out in 2 days, Thursday. Oh, yes, Pudgy's a little angel. Yes, Pudgy's a little angel. He's a good little boy. Pudgy's a little angel. Pudgy, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Pudgy's my little angel boy. Yes, thank you very much, Pudgy. King Mamba, I'm Lady Kissing Rock in the Discord. Yes, hello, SHIBA. Let's go, Abby. Hey, take the redneck Ronco rotisserie approach to investing. Buy the dip, hold it, and forget it. Patrick, that is a good investing strategy, man. It's definitely going to work out long term for you. I have to jump off the new meeting later, fam. DD214, enjoy your afternoon, man. You already know where we're going, but it's already 1 o'clock, dude. I think you might have missed your meeting. I want Shib to pump hard, at least 100%. JB, me too, man. Me too. I really do. Let's see. I will be a very happy bunny. I will be a very happy bunny as well. Okay, keep an eye out, MD. Heck yes, sounded like you fell off the chair, then That would actually be pretty funny if I did that, man. Now I want 6 stickers, 1 for my younger sister, 1 for her friend, and 4 for me. What are you going to do with 4 stickers, dude? What are you going to do with 4 stickers? Oh, man, I don't know why the camera keeps cutting out, but it's telling me it's time to go right now, guys. Crypto Rocketeer, dabbing on a baby. Dude, get your names in the chat right now. We'll do these shout-outs, and we will be back with the afternoon live stream. So thank you all very much for the super stickers, for the likes, for the chat, for all of this. Really appreciate every single one of you. JB says, you're number 1. JB says, you're number 1. JB says, you're number 1. JB, man, thank you very much for the super stickers. For the super sticker. I was like looking at real stickers and saying super sticker, and I was like, that doesn't make sense. It's a real sticker. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate that. We'll do these shout outs, guys, and we will be back this afternoon. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on them as always. We got AMC Trapper saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Lunatics. BSM Sports Cards, see you later. John Green, not John J. Moji, Patrick, JB, Easy Ride BSM, Old Rounder, the franchise BSM, JB, Next Level, Michael Gorilla, Army Vet Bro saying, what? Oh, yeah, with the mic drop, baby. Oh, yes. Army Vet Bro, thank you very much for the mic drop. Really appreciate that. Loving it. End of the stream, mic drop, baby. Army Vet Bro, really appreciate you, dude. Franchise, BSM, JB, Next Level, Michael Gorilla, Army Vet Bro, Sean, Pudgy, JB, Gregory, all of you guys. You know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.